Multiojankatu Multisilta, one of the suburbs of Tampere, Finland. It was built in 1963. My ValmetSchlieren modernized in 1997 by Otis, a big early modernization.
Yeah.
The serial number is VS 1742. The new serial is V1SX 8447. The capacity is 3 persons and 240 grams, and there's no dollars button here. It's not the worst possible.
Yeah.
Still 1990 owners. And we inspected in 2022. When the modernization is turning 25 years old.
Yeah.
Already done. And the elevator turned 55 years old in 2018. This was 1963 ValmetSchlieren.
Yeah.
I mean, so amazing. I think it was an early, like, those that we have found, 1961, 62 ones.
But it says wrong because it's...
I guess was it's also...
Yeah, but it's not 1963 because it's VS 1742.
Ah.
It can't be 1963.
No, so what could it be then? 68? Or
yeah, probably.
Maybe that's a misprint. Or it could be 67 also.
Yeah.
Maybe check the information later.
Yeah.
To see if it is 1967 or 68. It must certainly must be.
Yeah.
Because 1963 feels a bit earlier here. Too early here.
Yeah.
But still, these automatic doors are a bit boring.
Yeah.
And unnecessary. Well, they are full length still. So it makes it more convenient. Let's take it.
That's